Imagine this, guys. You are craving a hot plate of masala dosa at 9 pm. What do? I tell you that you open a Google, type best dosa near me, and within seconds, a list of restaurants pop up on your phone. That's the magic of local SEO. Businesses that appear there don't just rely on luck. They have mastered Google by business. Today, I will show you exactly how you can do the same for your business. So watch this video till the end because I'm gonna show how to set up Google My Business account, and if you want to watch other episodes, then I recommend you to check out the podcast in the above card. Now let's start. We are going to see what is local SEO. Local SEO is the term that optimize your online presence so that people nearby can find you. Works mainly for shops, restaurants, service providers, clinics, coaching centers, etc. For example, if someone in Delhi searches for laptop repair near me, only businesses with strong local SEO appear on top. Now let's see why local SEO matters in India. The 46% of all Google searches have a local intent. People trust Google more than word of mouth today. For example, a small chai tapri in Pune doubled its customer after appearing in Google's top 3 for best tea in Pune. So here, what is Google My Business? Google My Business is a free tool by Google to manage how your business appear on maps and search. It shows your name, address, phone, timing, reviews and photos, etc. For example, a gym in Bangalore that optimized its Google My Business profile and got 70% more calls than before. That's a power on Google My Business. Now let's see setting up Google My Business. First of all, we have to go to Google My Business Profile Manager and enter details such as name, category, address, phone, etc. and verify your business like postcard, call or put it your email on the website and add opening hours, photos and a website. One of my friends opened a biryani outlet in Hyderabad. He spent 0 rupees on ads, just created a Google My Business profile and within 3 months his outlet started showing up on Best Biryani near Charminar. The one important thing we have to see is NAP consistency. NAP stands for name, address and phone. Your name, address and phone must be exactly the same everywhere, just like Google, Instagram or Justdial. For example, if your shop board says Sri Krishna Sweet Mart, don't write Krishna Sweets online. Customer will get confused and Google too. Now we are gonna see how to optimize Google My Business profile. First of all, you have to add high quality photos in shop front, products and inside view. You have to write keyword rich descriptions. For example, authentic South Indian filter coffee in Chennai. You have to specify your product and also add multiple products or services that your business give. For example, a dentist in Mumbai uploaded before and after treatment photos and that got 30% more appointment requests. Now we are gonna see one of the most important thing, customer reviews and rating. Reviews build trust and also it helps ranking. So you have to encourage happy customers to leave reviews. Always reply to reviews, whether it is positive or negative. For example, a salon in Delhi NCR politely responded to all reviews, even complaints. People trusted them more and bookings increased. Now we are gonna see how to do local SEO on your website. First of all, use location based keywords such as plumber in Andheri East. Specify your location and specify your services and add Google Maps embed on your website. Create content about your area. Blogs like top cafes in Connaught Place. Blog is the most important thing for local SEO. For example, a coaching center in Jaipur wrote a blog, Best JEE Coaching in Jaipur, and got ranked on Google within 2 months. So while writing a blog, specify your location and services. The one important thing you have to do in Google My Business is citation and listing. Apart from GMB, list your business on Justdial, IndiaMart, Suleika. If you have a doctor, you can try Practo, or if you have a restaurant, you can use Zomato or Swiggy. You have to register all of this website just as Google My Business and keep info consistent everywhere. For example, a hardware shop in Nagpur listed on Justdial and Google My Business and started getting calls daily from builders nearby. Now you wanna see how to do a local SEO for mobile users. Most of the internet users have using mobile to search on Google. So you have to optimize as per mobile users. Most nearby searches happen on mobile. So ensure website is mobile friendly, fast clickable, call now button. For example, a car mechanic in Ahmedabad added a tap to call button on his website and got 50 plus emergency calls in a month. Now we are gonna see some advanced local SEO strategies. Use WhatsApp businesses with GMT. Indians love WhatsApp. Run local ads targeting only 3 to 5 kilometer radius. Use your mother language as a keywords like Hindi, Tamil, Bengali. Example, a Pani Puri stall in Indore ran Facebook ads in Hindi. Indore ki sabse tasty Pani Puri and got viral locally. By the way, I don't know Hindi. Forgive me if I am wrong. At last, you are gonna see tracking and improving. Use Google Insights from Google My Business dashboard and see how many people called, asked for directions or visited your profile. Use Google Analytics for website traffic. A boutique owner in Surat tracked her GMP insights and realized most calls came on weekends. So she started running Saturday discounts. So local SEO is not rocket science. It's about being visible when people nearby are searching for you. Whether you run a chai stall in Delhi, a coaching center in Patna, or a salon in Bangalore, Google My Business can be your best friend. So what's the last thing you searched for on Google with near me? Comment below. I am curious for that. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more digital marketing tips and stay tuned for the next episode. Cheers.